Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial in our Excel series. Today we are going to learn how to create basic charts like bar, line and pie charts. Charts are useful tools for visualizing data, making it easier to understand and interpret trends. Let's get started. Bar chart. First, select the data you want to represent in your chart. Make sure to include the headers for clarity. Next, navigate to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. Under the Charts group, you will find various charts types. Let's start with a bar chart. Choose the desired subtype of bar charts. Excel will then generate a bar chart based on your selected data. Under the Chart Design tab, you can change the style of charts and also change the color of charts. Line chart. Now let's explore how to create a line chart. Again, select the desired subtype of line chart, such as with or without markers. Excel will create a line chart representing your data. Under the Chart Design tab, you can change the style of charts and also change the color of charts. Pie chart. Finally, let's create a pie chart. Select the desired subtype. Excel will generate a pie chart based on your selected data. Under the Chart Design tab, you can change the style of charts and also change the color of charts. And there you have it, my friends. You have successfully created basic charts including bar, line and pie charts in Excel. Charts are essential tools for visualizing data, and Excel offers a variety of options to help you effectively communicate your insights. Stay tuned for more Excel tutorials and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for updates. Thanks for watching.